आका अलैहिस्सलाम ने सबसे पहला दस्तूर दिया मदीना का, तमाम मज़ाहिब को अकोमोडेट किया। दिस सोसाइटी एंड स्टेट वाज नॉट एक्सक्लूसिव फॉर द मुस्लिम्स, देयर वर ज्यूज members of this society, Muslims were members of this society, Christians were members of this society, other non-Muslim tribes being allies of Jews, they were also members of this society. Putting all of them together, Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, ये सारे के सारे मिलकर एक nation हो गए, they are one nation. पहला concept state nation का based on multicultural society. UK, like England, like Canada, like America, many other Western countries, where people belonging to various races, various cultures, various religions, various ethnic backgrounds, all of them, they live together as a single entity.